Okay, today is Friday, 26th September, and it's a Friday. So let's just start. We have 8 minutes still open right here. So today, I came into the day with not a lot of expectation because yesterday the range was pretty large. And I would say that we could have an inside day. That's kind of what I expected because I don't think we're gonna go lower. I don't think we're gonna go all the way up here on Friday. We could, but I think it's a bit unlikely for it to do that. So today we opened with a small gap, right? Not a small gap, a normal gap, and we were going lower, lower, lower. We engineered some sell side right here, went higher, uh, consolidate right there. That's some beautiful buy side right here, and the sell side was taken. We also had some sort of SMT right there, and then we eventually went higher towards the buy side, and when that happens, it was the 8:30 news. Let's put the buy side. So this was my target. So this and this, that was my target, and I would be done for the day. We opened right here. So this is the RTH high, I think. High of September 26 already. Month is already over almost. Cleared the sell side immediately when opened. And I think this will be it for today because it hit at this. I had like this in mind for potential this sell side. I would mark this sell side. And then you have this sell side right here, but much more than that, I did not really have. I don't have much expectations. So your start here is low, so we already delivered that. Let's just picture right here. So we delivered up, and now we're delivering down towards here. Consolidation, manipulation on 8:30, and then distribution on 9:30. And as I said, I expected inside day, so this hit, I would be done, and then maybe look for some sort of end AM, maybe a lunch PM trade, but if there's some new engineer to have a new plan, but that will be it. But now it's on the CE, it stopped right there on the CE. If you look at the regular trading hours, I want to see this low taken and then maybe send it up higher. Let's just demo trade today. And then you have this buy side right here. Also here you have a beautiful buy side on the ES. I think ES has hit it a bit. Let me look here. So this is a huge displacement right here. Marking this right now gray. And this is, wait, I'm on this account. Let's put our stop right here. And then put our target here. And then this is your breaker gap, breaker. And I don't have the coudnt on here. Let's see if we can touch it once more this, and then I would spy one more to that lower portion. CE hit right there. Also this wick, I knew this wick CE. right here. This is a buy, then this is your, if I had a clear plan today and expected a good day today and I had a good plan, then this would have been a good opportunity for me. Good. So here's a yes first presented, so we can maybe have like a little dump down into that. Let's remove this right here and have this also right here. And then you have this as a target also on yes on the regular trading hours. We allow it to trade into the upper portion, into this city, into this daily busy high, but more than that, I think this is a balanced price right here. It shouldn't be traded into right here. Right here, I don't have like the same levels on here. This is a wick of yesterday right there. And so we want to do this and want to see this inverse. If this is inversed, I'm pretty confident. It's always a bit of like, if you have a win on the demo, couldn't I just put it on a real account? But today I just said it. Alright, this is now an inversion. Today I said, okay, I don't expect much from today. I don't have a lot of expectations for today, Friday. Let's see how deep we are gonna go in this. Otherwise, we're just gonna go all the way down to the sell side, because here's the 5 minute. Still, we have like a consolidation. If this is the high of the day, this is the manipulation, and then we want to see distribution lower. But yeah, I'm looking for a bias on the daily. We just touch this gap, and I want to see this inverse, and we just trade away from it. Still doesn't mean we're not gonna go towards here. I'm just looking maybe for some sort of re-entry. And like, oh yes, close. Let's buy one. Let's just do it again. Put our stop now here. I think this could be a trade on your, let's say it pumps up. Let's also mark the regular trading hours buy side right here. I don't think this, I think you want to see this as like a breakaway. I almost want to put it on my real account right now. I really want to take this on my real account. I'm gonna buy right there and put my stop right here. I've risked not a lot. So I was demo trading today, and right now I'm in a real trade. Let's add one more into that gap right here. This busy. Now we want to see it go above this inversion right here. Yes, it's gonna take it earlier than NQ is gonna do. I don't think it's gonna be a lot of money. It's just like I'm gonna be out right here. I'm not gonna. Maybe I'm gonna let 1-1, but towards all the way here. Let's just take 2 off right here. To explain the whole trade, I was demoing today because it already hit my objective right here. But then looking at the market and being on the market and you see some good setup, it's like a valid setup, then you would just want to take it. So I couldn't resist it, and I just went on my real account, on my work on my Funded account and just took it. My fill is a bit bad. I would say this is a better fill. We want to see this as a breakaway, of course. We want to see this inverse, then I could go move my stop already. I would say I could even move it to break even then. Yes, still has this regular trading hour buy side. If it's inversing this gap, then it doesn't seem that good, if I'm going to be honest. This buy side right here. Yes, it's very close. It's just like meandering around, and we just had a gap, and I need to see portion open right there. If you're gonna go higher right here, yes, it's gonna be the one taking the regular trading buy side first, and then is lagging a bit behind. We want to see down on Dixie, of course. If you look at the daily, we have this daily inversion high that we just tapped yesterday. We want to see lower prices, of course, if we are in a buy on NQ, but I don't think we're gonna go lower on Dixie. I think we're just gonna stay here. We had a large day yesterday, and for it to just have like a day like this, it stays a bit of like this, then that's fine. But if I have to choose right here, I say higher. So just touches this farm imbalance. I also don't like that. Is that also here? It touches that farm imbalance. That's probably making the trade a little bit worse. You're also spending a lot of time in this busy. It doesn't look too good. I'm not spending like a lot of time. It's high resistance, as you see. Now I want to see, can we, like if I was entered in the busy, I would have been out right now. Like in a tight range. I'm just gonna move my stop real tight because I don't like how we spent a lot of time here in the inside of this macro right here. Now we break even. Spend like a lot of time here. This is not good. I'm really moving my stop here real tight right now. And I'm going break even right now. So except if we're now gonna go to our break even, it's fine. We have a break even day. We spent a lot of time here in this high resistance, and I have like a rule: don't move your stop. Just go out of the trade, or don't move your stop. And right now, I just go out of the trade or go out of trade. I'm just break even, so I don't lose any money. So that's like kind of out of the trade. And it is done. Why am I done right here? Here we stopped. We haven't lost anything, I think. I'm out of this trade because we're spending like a lot of time in this trade, and I don't like that. We are inside of the macro. Do I still expect that we're gonna go here? Yes. Yes is right here. Right here is buy side right there. But I felt that I was not confident anymore in this trade, so I decided to go out of the trade. And I'm happy with my decision. What happens right now, I don't care. I don't like how we spend a lot of time right there, and I just went out because I felt that I felt like a bit of anxious. I don't know. I didn't. It didn't feel well. The fact that I said I was gonna go and demo trade today, and I ended up taking a trade. Not that it affected my account balance, but I think I lost 10 euros. So that's nothing to break even. So yeah, you could. I don't like that I did that. So I said I was gonna demo, and I ended up being on a Finland account that I shouldn't be touching then, if I say so. But yeah, then you see this, and yeah, you see we take out this sell side right here. You see it react good from the CEO of this. You see this large up candle. You see this gap right here. Spends a lot of time. It went to the city right here, touches the database high. It went away from that, and then I said something. Okay, we're gonna go deliver to the regular trading hours buy side. It's like, and then yeah, you enter. I don't have the best feel. That's fine. And then we just did not feel confident because we spent like a lot of time here. Eventually leave, then I feel like, gosh, I should have holded it, and then it went towards my stop, so it's fine today. And then if I would do something today, I'm gonna be honest. Also, what I want to say, we hit this daily little farm imbalance today. That's the high. Also, this little coudnt and this little farm imbalance on the daily. You see right here, the opening gap. So it's for me. I expect not a good Friday. So for this to be the high, that's perfect, and that's okay for me. Like on the yes we delivered, so that's good. On the yes we did deliver to this old for imbalance right here. So that's good. We have equal highs right here. We still have equal highs, so maybe we could still draw up into that, but I'm done right now. I didn't follow my rules, and I wasn't disciplined enough today, so I'm just done, and till next week.